Have you ever felt like you are talking to your spouse, but it's like they are tuned out on another planet? Like you're just talking into a brick wall. If you've been there, you are not alone. I want you to picture this, for example. Sarah comes home, excited to share about her promotion at work. She starts telling her husband, James, but he's still scrolling through his phone and appears to be maybe half present and half absent. She pauses. James says, "That's nice." And that was all his response. Just, "That's nice." For Sarah, it feels like rejection. But for James, he thinks he did respond. And just like that, a simple moment turns into distance. Perhaps you've had something like this before. Why do breakdowns like this happen? Stress and exhaustion is one of those things. They make us shut down. Assumptions too, like expecting your spouse to just know without you letting them know. You just expect him to know. Another thing is avoidance of tough conversations, or simply very different communication styles. You see, these little disconnects keep piling up like bricks, one on top of another. And soon, before you know it, a wall, a fine but of course mischievous wall is already standing between you and your spouse. First, it's missed moments. Then comes frustration. Then arguments. Eventually, couples feel like roommates instead of partners. These things keep expanding. They give birth. They are like living things. They reproduce. One gives birth to another, and then that also gives birth. And before you know it, behold, multiples. And then each partner is secretly expecting the other to make the fence-mending move to rekindle the relationship. It doesn't work that way. Before you know it, dark energies soon take advantage of the breakdown and begin plotting to widen the gap and stoke the flames. Oh my God! Something needs to be done urgently. One of the couples wake up and realize at last. Now I want you to ponder the following solutions. You could schedule 10 minutes daily of device-free talk with eye-to-eye contact. You will discover a mysterious antidote here. Try it and you will get to see. There is something mysterious about eye-to-eye contact. 10 minutes daily. Also, use "I feel" statements instead of blame. Like this: "I feel like I was being deliberately ignored." It's better than "You are deliberately ignoring me." Also, repeat back what your partner says so they know you actually heard them. That will help. Don't act like you are distant. Don't avoid their eyes while they are talking, expressing something. And don't save conversations for crisis. Instead, build connection daily, okay? Communication isn't about winning arguments. It's about building bridges. And when the bridge is strong, the marriage is strong. Don't give up. You still have one more move to make. So reach out and share your thoughts with me. Everything is going to be all right again. Look out for the next episode. Until then, bye.